In this video, we will learn how to create Microsoft Outlook tasks in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and here you can see in Excel ribbon the Microsoft Outlook tasks command is not added. So before that you have to edit the command in tab. So go to the file tab, then click on the more option and here the Excel options dialog box is open. Then click on the customize ribbon. In commands, just click on this drop down arrow and select the commands not in the ribbon option. So these command lists which are not added in Excel. Okay. So here I am going to find Microsoft Outlook tasks command. Okay. So I select here the one command and I enter here C. So here the create Microsoft Outlook tasks commands here I got it. So here just click on the add and you can add this command in your tab. I already custom tab is created. So this is a PND tech. Just click on this arrow and select your group and you can add this command in your custom tab. Select first command, then click on the add option. The command is added in your tab. So create Microsoft Outlook tasks is added in PND Tech tab. Just click on OK and here you see in PND Tech tab the create Microsoft Outlook tasks command is added. So let's see how it's used. Just click on the create Microsoft Outlook tasks option and here you see wait for the few seconds. The tasks in Outlook is open. So here you can create your tasks. In tasks tab you can see your tasks is selected. So enter your subject of your tasks. So I enter here the monthly data. Okay. So I select here the date and I select here the due date, status in progress, priority is high and complete is 25. With this the Excel file also here attached and due in 8 days here mention. Click on the save to create tasks in Outlook. Just click on it. The task is saved in your Outlook. So now I open my Outlook. Just click on it and just click on my Outlook. And here you see the Outlook is open. Now I just click on the tasks option and monthly data is tasks added in Outlook. I just open here this tasks and you can see here the monthly data, the 25% is complete tasks added in Outlook. So you can see here the one message pop up. The Outlook block access to the following potential unsafe attachment sales data. I think in my attachment have some error, therefore is showing this message. So you can try with your Excel and you can create your tasks easily in Excel sheet. So this is a helpful when you work on your Excel sheet and if you want to create tasks quickly in Outlook, you can create, just click on the one click in Excel sheet. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.